Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G32 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to enter reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it, and here your device is of course informing you that it will reset all network settings, which includes the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, just tap on reset settings, and here also we've got the information that this operation cannot be undone. So if you're ready, reset settings and simply wait. As you can see, we've got this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.